Sheriff's Office is searching for missing child Kennedy Harrington, 6 years old, black, female. The missing child was last seen at 7:47 a.m. on June 12, 2024 at 13,100 block of Beale Circle, San Antonio, Texas. Police are looking for DeAndre Harrington, 36 years old, black, male, in connection with the abduction of the child. The suspect has a tattoo of the letter P on wedding finger and a tattoo of the letter J on left leg. The suspect is believed to be driving a dark gray Chevrolet Impala or Chevrolet Malibu bearing an unknown Texas license plate. The suspect was last seen in San Antonio, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. Anyone with information regarding this child abduction should contact the Bexar County Sheriff's Office at 210-335-6000. News media point of contact is Bexar County Sheriff's Office at 210-335-6000.